Hi, my name is Aditya Prasad Pale. I am from 2011-16 BBA LLB with honors in corporate laws batch. Uh, Actually, I am going to be a part of FDI International Arbitration Mode 2015 to be organized by Center of International Legal Studies in King's College London from 29th of October till 31st of October 2015. This mood is a lifetime of opportunity for me because since last 3 years of my career here in UPS, I have been concentrated in international investment laws, international trade laws, and international economic laws. Now, as a student of this international law, investment arbitration, that too at such a forum like King's College London, is an honor to be a part. For this competition, we have been preparing since last 7 months, and we have started our preparation in the month of March itself. Though the initial registration and all formalities were fulfilled in the month of February, and since last 7 months, we have been working day and night for this move. And believe me or not, this has given us a lot of understanding with regards to the international law, commercial arbitration, investment arbitration. Now, coming to the preparation part, we are a team of 4 people, and 2 of us going to London. 4 people have coordinated and worked hard to prepare the skeletal briefs for the regional rounds. Then we had competed in the regional round also, wherein we qualified in the top 4 teams to be a part of the London international mode. And then after qualification, we had to work upon the final memorial round and for the global orals, which was a tedious task. But at the end, we have concluded every preparation and have come to this last leg of our event, wherein we are going to the London for the mood. As a student in UPS, I have a very nice exposure to such kind of events, and I have also been a part of organizing such events in UPS itself. Since last 4 years of my career, like this is the last year, since last 4 years, I have been into events like parliamentary debate, MUN, and moot. And mooting is what I like, so I'm more of mooting and little bit of other things. I have been the convener of Moot Court Association in my 4th year, and before that, in my 3rd year, I was also the co-convener of the Moot Court Association, wherein we had organized National Paras Diwan Moot Court in year 2014 and an International Paras Diwan Energy Law Moot Court in the 2015. And the experience was quite an amazing, wherein I was able to contribute in building the name of the university and bringing the university at par with the other international universities.